Here is the proof that you are getting discount with my Hostinger coupon code. This offer automatically adds an extra 20% discount through my link, and I'll show you exactly how to get it. To activate the offer, simply click the link in the description. The extra 20% discount is automatically applied through my link during checkout. Now choose the hosting type you need. I am choosing VPS for this demo. Next, you can see the plan options. So, take your time and choose based on your needs. Once you go through the plan, hit the Choose Plan button. Next is the Order Summary page. Here, choose the billing period of 1, 12, or 24 months. The 24-month billing period is the best value, and for this, you will get 1 year free domain also. Plus, every hosting plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it with confidence. Next, in the order summary, you can see the referral discount of 20%. This is because of my link. Now hit the Continue button. Enter your email and set a password. Once done, you will be redirected to the payment page. Complete the payment. You will receive a confirmation email, and that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link. It is very simple and just 2 minutes work. Enjoy hosting. Thanks for purchasing.